Where is Tom? He's in the bathroom. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Rooms in the home. Where? Plus, answer the question. This is video 3 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series, and be sure to stick around for the second part of the video to answer those questions. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. Where are you? I'm in the kitchen. You're in the kitchen? Yes, I'm baking a cake. Where are you? I am in the kitchen. You are in the kitchen? Yes, I am baking a cake. Where are you? I'm in the garage. You're in the garage? Yes, I'm cleaning. Where are you? I am in the garage. You are in the garage? Yes, I am cleaning. Where are you? We're in the living room. You're in the living room? Yes, we are having a birthday party. Where are you? We are in the living room. You are in the living room? Yes, we are having a birthday party. Where are Jenny and Tammy? They're in the clubhouse. They're in the clubhouse? Yes, they are playing. Where are Jenny and Tammy? They are in the clubhouse. They are in the clubhouse? Yes, they are playing. Where are they? They're in the dining room. They're in the dining room? Yes, they are eating lunch. Where are they? They are in the dining room. They are in the dining room? Yes, they are eating lunch. Where is Lori? She's in her bedroom. She's in her bedroom? Yes, she's listening to music. Where is Lori? She is in her bedroom. She is in her bedroom? Yes, she is listening to music. Where is Tom? He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom? Yes, he's taking a bath. Where is Tom? He is in the bathroom. He is in the bathroom? Yes, he is taking a bath. Where is Dad? He's outside. He's outside? Yes, he's taking out the trash. Where is Dad? He is outside. He is outside? Yes, he is taking out the trash. Answer the questions. Where are you? I'm in the kitchen. What are you doing? I'm baking a cake. Where are you? I'm in the garage. What are you doing? I'm cleaning. Where are you? We're in the living room. What are you doing? We're having a birthday party. Where are Jenny and Tammy? They're in the clubhouse. What are they doing? They are playing. Where are they? They're in the dining room. What are they doing? They're eating lunch. Where is Lori? She's in the bedroom. What is she doing? She's listening to music. Where is Tom? He's in the bathroom. What is he doing? He's taking a bath. Where is Dad? He's outside. What is he doing? He's taking out the trash. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.